Hello everyone, welcome back to Core Nation. In this video, we'll be discussing about another interesting recruitment drive by the company Accenture. So Accenture is hiring for the position of new associate HR operations. So we'll be discussing everything about this recruitment drive. So stay tuned till the end, and if you're new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications because we give updates on jobs and internships every day. So let's start at today's video. So Accenture is hiring for the position of new associate HR operations. Let's see the job description. So you need to have a skill of HR delivery strategy, and the designation that you'll be given is management level new associate, and the job location will be Bangalore in India. You need to be from a field of BBA, BCom, any graduate or postgraduate diploma in management, and you need to have an experience of 0 to 1 year. Now, after getting selected, you'll be aligned to a human resources team, and you'll have to help them in functions that deal with people and people related areas such as recruiting, learning, training, onboarding, performance management, organization development, and much more. So you'll be working as a part of HR operations team, which is responsible for providing back-end HR services. These services include administrative services, job analysis, and employee relationship management. So the team you'll be working in will work on designing, developing, implementing HR delivery strategy to support the end-to-end employee experience across life cycle. So now let's see what are the skills required for this position at Accenture. So you need to have good knowledge of data management, HR operations, and you should be flexible enough to adapt any situation. You should have the ability to perform under pressure. You should have good problem solving skills. You should be a quick learner, and you should be able to meet the deadlines. Being proficient in HR analytics would be a plus point here. Now let's see the roles and responsibilities of the candidate after getting selected. So in this role, you are required to solve routine problems that are referred to general guidelines, and your primary interaction will be within your team and your direct supervisor. You will be given detailed instructions on all the tasks that you need to carry out, and the decisions that you make will impact your work. You will have to be well versed with the basic statistics that are used in day to day business life, and you'll have to use it while discussing with stakeholders. You'll be working closely with project members to give effective delivery on the requirements. And now the link to apply for this has been given in the description below. You can just click on the link and you'll reach this site wherein you're asked to give your email address and password for your Accenture account. So if you already have an Accenture account, just fill out your email address and password and then sign in. If not, if you don't have an Accenture account, then you can click on sign up. So after clicking on sign up, you'll have to fill out this details like your email address, then create a password, retype it, and your personal details like first name, last name, your country, state, city, your LinkedIn profile URL, which is optional, your job preferences, which country you belong to, and which city would you like to work in, your year of experience, your primary job function, and then you will have to type these characters in this box and then click on register. So after clicking on register, your Accenture account will be created, and to activate your Accenture account, you'll have to check your mail, and then you'll have to activate your account. So after successfully activating your Accenture account, you have to click again on the link which is given in the description, and then you'll have to fill out your email address, password, and then sign in. So after clicking on sign in, you'll find this pop-up box wherein you are asked to read out the terms and conditions of Accenture and then click on yes. So after clicking on yes, you'll find the application form for this job. So there are 3 steps. In the first step, you have to upload your resume. So browse it from your files and upload it. Click on upload, and then you'll reach to the next step. So here you have to fill your first name, last name, gender, date of birth, email, pin code, mobile number, and then click on next. And in the next step you have to fill your advanced details like marital status, father name, country, state, city, nationality, and your relevant experience, and your college name, how did you hear about this. And then here you have to check out this box if you want to receive WhatsApp notifications from Accenture. After checking out this box, click on apply for this opportunity. So after clicking on this, your application will be submitted. So if you have the required skills, then do apply for this. That's it for this video. Do like the video and share it among your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.